Alright, mommy's here. We are going to practice yoga and balance. And we're gonna use a chair here. So let's get ready. Alright, relax. Take a deep breath. And breathe out from the nose. Wake up your core. And breathe out. Squeeze your diaphragm. Put leg together and palm together. Press with your palm together. Just shoulder relax. Good. Focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. Slightly bend your knee. Put the arms up, straight up. Good. Hold it there. Keep it balanced. And if you feel tension on your back, curl in your hip a little bit in. Yes. And come back up. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. And put the hands on the side. Shoulder relax again. Keep it chest open. Focus on your breath. Lots of oxygen coming into your body. And refresh. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. And put the arms front and up. And slightly bend your knee. Again, if you feel your back is tension, might be hyperextended your hip. So kind of tail in. Just like that. Alright, take a deep breath. And breathe out. And come back up. Good. Now put the arms up. And one side tilt. And the other side. Good. There you go. Now twist upper body, just the thoracic area, not the lumbar area. Pulse, pulse. Good. And go in the other side. Good. And up. Yeah. Squeeze your scapula. Look up and look down when you scapula squeeze. Good. Now in and out. In and out. This is kind of not like a yoga, but it's warming up portion. And we are doing active stretching. And roll your shoulder. In another direction. So we are not going to have an injury. Let's risk, right? So good stretching. Alright, now hip side to side. Slow spine, side to side. Good, now front and back. Now circle. Circle. Like a hula hoop. Other way. There you go. Good, now going down to knee. Circle. Circle. Alright, feels good. I almost sit down all day today doing computer. It feels great. Up and down. Up and down. Good. Shake it up. Alright, now check your chair is stiff. Okay, no sliding or wobbly. Okay, and we're gonna go hold the hand on the front and fold forward, just like this. And this time, not hyperextended your back or upper curl, back curl, but neutral position. Okay, try to find a neutral position. And don't hold your breath. Just natural in and out, exhale, inhale. Feel the shoulder and heel stretching back here. Good, find your center. Good, kind of come back up and step one little step. Okay, and we're gonna go arm up. Same side, leg side, arm up. Good, come back down and lean again. You may feel stretching on your hamstring on the front leg side. Good, come back up and go step a little bit forward and now stretch back here, your calf muscle and Achilles tendon. Good. Again, put the leg side arm up. And if you can go both sides, both arm up, fine. Warrior pose. Good, come back down and open your chest sideways. So you pivot your heel, open up. There you go. So this leg is still pointing this way, but use the pivot. Good. Now we are going to lean your body and use a chair and going arm up. And look up your palm, shoulder relax. Good. Still focusing on your breath. And slowly come back up. Great job. Now, we're going to go back to this position. And back down. And come back up, step forward. One, but other leg. Okay. Good. Now put the arm up. One arm up. And come back down. Now we're going to go lean back. Hamstring. And come back up. Step a little bit forward. And going forward. Press forward. And feel the back leg stretch now. Ooh, feels good. And come back up. Good. I'm going to switch this part so you can see. So that was this from here. And come back. So we're going to do leg side arm up. And if you can go up and warrior pose. Good. Keep your balance. It's hard. If it's hard a little bit, you can open up your feet sideways. So a little bit balance will be easier for you. Hi. Good. Now go sideways open pivot. Good. Still focusing on the breath. Good. Now lean and arm up. Look up your palm, focus. Good. Now come back up. Great job. Alright, we're gonna do 2 more things today. It's a practice. We're gonna do 3. Just make sure you're holding one side. If you can, you don't have to, but we're gonna do put the foot somewhere between here. If you are flexible and put the leech here, you can do it. But if you have a bad knee or you're not familiar with or scared about balance, you can go lower the feet. Okay. And wherever position like there, and hold it. Keep it just up and arm up. Good. You can go both sides, arm up. That's fine too. You can challenge yourself. Alright. I know your foot is wobbly. Mine's too. My muscle try to find the center. So that's okay. Let them find your center. Okay. That's part of practice. Good. If you lose your balance, safe landing. That's fine. So don't worry about it. Okay. And arms up. Good. Good. Come back up. We're gonna do another one. It's called cactus. You're gonna put the leg on the front and arms like bend it 90 degrees, just like it looks like cactus. So this is called cactus. Alright. And if you wanna go both sides, that's fine. Alright. Or you can one leg, one side arm up. You can dance if you can. Alright. Keep it balanced. Again, if you lose balance, safe landing. Alright. Let your body find the focus and balance center. Alright, great job. We're gonna practice that aside. So you just turn around or you support, change the support position. Alright, we're gonna do 3. Find your leg position here. And arms up, arm up. Keep it just up and head up. Yes, I can see your smile. Ta-da! There you go. If you have a focal point somewhere, picture on the back, other side of your loom, that's fine. It will be easier if you have a focal point. Alright, great job. Now put the leg up, front, okay, and cactus. There you go. If you can lift your leg or keep the leg 90, you can go drop a little bit, but it's okay. Just try to find the center, have the balance. Okay. So this is just a practice. Okay. Doing great. Almost there, hang in there. Just focus. Great job. Shake it up. Alright, great job. Let's cool down. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. Shake it up. Good. Now roll your neck. Relax your shoulder. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. Good. Other direction. nice and feels great. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. Good. Alright, take a deep breath. And breathe out. One more time. Make sure good energy coming into your body. And breathe out. Great job today. And you can practice using the chair, your balance stuff. Alright, great job. See you next time. Bye.